been fantastic. It's been a really unique blend of what is important for industry, but also discussions around what's going on with government funding, academia, where the focus is, where the trend is, but also highlighting new technologies. We had a fantastic talk from BioOrbit, and it's just highlighting that space is so much more than we used to think it is. And I think I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed seeing a fresh perspective. But SPACEtalks in particular has found that balance of, I'd say, industry, insight, but also market.
There's been some fascinating topics discussed during SPACEtalks. Also, I always really value for networking as well. I particularly liked there was a panel session before I spoke on AI in space. And I think that AI is going to really open up the economics of the Earth observation market. So some great topics, great networking.
I think I enjoyed a whole bunch of the talks here at SPACEtalks. The talks range from really exciting technological breakthroughs to then talking about the investment side, as well as the nuances of international regulation and, space debris and so on. So I don't think I can pinpoint one specific point, but I really enjoyed the conference.
SPACEtalks today has been a really interesting experience for me, because it's rare in my business at ESA that we don't find ourselves in a workshop which is very focused on a single topic. Here we have people from a huge breadth of domains in technology development, in large space integrators, commercial industry, and scientists all in the same meeting. And we've seen a diverse range of expertise. And we've also heard some very inspiring people who are driving innovation in a new technology in the space sector. So that for me has been the most exciting.
It is at the heart of a hub of space companies here in Oxford, and we find that it's attracting the right clientele for us to deal with. Meeting companies who are new, innovative in space, and learning from them what their aims and objectives are and how we can help them.
So far the experience is really exciting. Here in Harwell, where everything is very quiet, today is very sparkling. Why? Because there are a lot of newcomers. The organization did a great job to invite not the typical one, but a really new inspiring personality. For instance, the Saudi astronaut has been very attractive. And also the type of the player that they are polluting in a good way. The networking area is so exciting.
The conversations have been amazingly fantastic. It's such a wide variety of topics and discussions. So really valuable actually, and to understand the current environment in the space industry, this is a perfect opportunity to come and do that as well. Really, this is a fantastic networking opportunity. I think probably equally valuable to network as it is to see the presentations. So I've made many new contacts here, which would possibly generate new business opportunities for Lockheed Martin.
I really loved the experience. I think everybody's really welcoming. Being on the panel was a really fantastic opportunity to hone down on a certain topic that I think is really close to the kind of future and that disruptive element of the industry that we're currently seeing. I think just world-class organizations here, whether it's global leaders in space tech, Seraphim, who are a part of Mission 12 with, whether it's ESA, UK Space Agency, having such a wealth of industry experts all in one place, it's fantastic. Definitely come. You have world-class entities here, even a House of Lords representative. It's a really fantastic place to not only network, but also gain opportunities and get deeper insights that you otherwise won't have if you're not there in person.
SPACEtalks is a very critical event for industry partners and professionals coming together, because it can open your eyes to how these sectors can intertwine. All too much we stay in just the one thing that we do, and so coming to these events enables you to hear about what else is going on and thinking, okay, how can we collaborate and make something happen?